There's something special about California. It's almost like its own country. So much diversity, different types of terrain and climates all in one state. Whether it's for hiking, sightseeing, wine tasting, I've honestly loved every city and town I've had the pleasure of visiting out there. Most recently, I was working on a video shoot in LA for a day. When we finished, we decided to drive down the infamous Santa Monica Boulevard to grab some coffee, brunch, then continue all the way to Santa Monica Beach to try and capture some cool drone footage. Despite there being some rough weather in different parts of California that particular week, we got lucky and were experiencing a flawless day in LA as we made our way to Santa Monica Beach. Cool, yet sunny, with a refreshing breeze to top it off. Couldn't have asked for better weather. To our surprise, and that of the locals, you can even see the snow-capped hills and mountains in the far distance, which apparently are not often covered in snow. Ended the day with drinks and convivial moments with friends in the area. I'm definitely looking forward to making my way back into Santa Monica Beach in the future. Hope you enjoyed this aerial footage. Please subscribe and like if you enjoy my travel content. It would be much appreciated, and friends, remember to travel and go on adventures. Take care.